Looking to transform your outdoor space? Our expert ideas will take your patio and kitchen to the next level. Imagine sleek appliances, stylish seating, and a seamless flow between indoor and outdoor living. Get ready to host unforgettable gatherings. With durable materials and stunning design, your space will be both functional and beautiful. Don't miss out. It's time to create your dream outdoor oasis.
Creating an outdoor kitchen and patio can be a fantastic way to expand your living space, entertain guests, and enjoy the outdoors. Here are some ideas and tips to inspire your outdoor kitchen and patio design. Define your purpose. Determine how you shall use the space. Is it for cooking, dining, socializing, or all of the above? This will help you plan the layout and choose the right features. Location. Decide where to place your outdoor kitchen and patio. Consider factors like proximity to the house, access to utilities, water, gas, electricity, and the natural landscape of your yard. Layout and design. Choose a layout that suits your space and needs. Common options include L-shaped, U-shaped, or a straight line design. Consider adding a bar area, dining space, and cooking area. Materials. Use weather-resistant and durable materials for countertops, cabinets, and flooring. Options include natural stone, concrete, stainless steel, and composite materials. For the patio, materials like pavers, stamped concrete, or wood decking work well. Appliances. Select outdoor-rated appliances such as a grill, refrigerator, sink, or even a pizza oven. Ensure they are suitable for your climate and cooking preferences. Storage. Incorporate ample storage space for utensils, cookware, and accessories. Cabinets, drawers, and shelves will help keep your outdoor kitchen organized. Lighting. Plan for proper lighting, including task lighting for cooking, ambient lighting for dining, and decorative lighting for aesthetics and safety. Shade and shelter. Consider adding a pergola, awning, or even a roof to provide shade and protection from the elements. This can extend the usability of your outdoor space throughout the year. Furniture. Choose outdoor furniture that complements the style and functionality of your patio. Comfortable seating, tables, and outdoor rugs can make the space inviting and cozy. Decor and greenery. Enhance the atmosphere with decorative elements like outdoor art, throw pillows, and potted plants. Incorporate landscaping and greenery to soften the hardscape and create a natural ambience. Entertainment. If you desired, add entertainment options such as an outdoor TV, a sound system, or a fire pit for a cozy focal point. Safety. Ensure that the outdoor kitchen is safe to use with proper ventilation and fire safety measures in place. Color scheme. Choose a color palette that complements your home's exterior and natural stoning. Earthy tones and natural materials often work well. Budget. Set a budget early in the planning process and stick to it. Outdoor kitchens and patios can range from affordable to extravagant, so knowing your limits is important. Permits and codes. Check local building codes and obtain any necessary permits before starting your project. Maintenance. Keep in mind that outdoor spaces require regular maintenance. Plan for cleaning, sealing, and seasonal upkeep to keep your kitchen and patio looking their best. Personal touch. Add your personal style to the space with custom features such as a mosaic backsplash, unique seating, or a built-in herb garden. Remember that the best outdoor kitchen and patio design is one that suits your lifestyle, budget, and the layout of your outdoor space. tailor it to your specific needs and preferences to create an outdoor oasis that you shall enjoy for years to come. Heather, if you are enjoying the content so far, why not take a moment to hit that subscribe button below? By subscribing, you shall stay updated with our latest videos and be a part of our awesome community. Join us on this incredible journey. Simply click that subscribe button now and ring the notification bell to never miss an upload. Thanks for being a part of our channel.